my name is Zipora, and my last student number is 200. Today, I would like to share my response to Tools of Passion by Isabel Allende. First, I will start with the summary. In her talk, Isabel Allende discussed the idea of passion, especially in relation to women's life and struggles. She shared real-life stories of women who show incredible strength, courage, and resilience despite facing violence, poverty, and injustice. Some examples she gives include women who survive war, abuse, and extreme hardship, yet continue to fight for their families and their dignity. The main issues highlighted in this talk is gender inequality and the unfair treatment of women around to the world. Many women still not have control over their own bodies, education, or economic resources. They are often victims of violence and discrimination. Through her stories, Isabel Allende shows that even though these problems are very serious, women also have powerful and passionate hearts that help them survive and create change. Next, I would like to share my opinion. In my opinion, this talk is very powerful and emotional because it shows the reality that many people often ignore. The stories she tells are not just stories, but real situations that are still happening today. I think the impact of gender inequality is very deep because it affects not only women's physical condition, but also their mental health and confidence. What I find most striking is how society sometimes normalizes this injustice. Many women grow up believing that suffering and inequality are just part of their life. This is very dangerous because it prevents change from happening. I also agree with Isabel Allende that passion and courage are very important because without them, it is difficult to challenge unfair system. Now, I will talk about the solution. There are several solutions that can help address this issue. First, education is very important. Women need access to education so they can understand their rights and important their life. Second, women should be given economic opportunities, such a job and financial independence, so they are not dependent on others. Third, government and societies must create stronger laws and protection systems to prevent violence and discrimination against women. Another important solution is increasing the number of women in positions of power. Isabel Allende mentioned that the world needs more feminine energy, meaning empathy, care, and a focus on improving quality of life. I personally think that is very important because leadership with compassion can create a more balanced and fair society. Finally, I will give my evolution. To apply this solution, we can start from small action in our daily life. For example, we can respect women, support equality, and speak up when we just injustice. School and university can also play a role by educating students about gender equality and healthy relationships. The success of this solution can be seen when women have more opportunities, when cases of violence decrease, and when society becomes more aware of these issues. In my opinion, change will take time, but it is possible if people work together consistently. In conclusion, this talk reminds us that passion is not just about emotion, but also about courage and the willingness to create change. Women all the world have shown that with a passionate heart, they can survive and transform their life. Therefore, she should support equality and work together to create a better future. Thank you.